How to change kids account to normal account on Netflix. Now let's get started. Open your Netflix app. Make sure you have already logged into your Netflix account. Now you will land to the home page. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Head towards your profile. Now over here, you will find your username as well as drop down. Tap on it. With that, you're gonna find all the profiles of your Netflix. Now you have to tap on this option of manage profiles. Now from here, you can easily manage the profile. Over here, you will find the kid profile. You have to tap on it. With that, you will find this option of delete profile. Just tap on it. Tap on delete. After you delete it, you will get this option of add profile. Tap on it. Now from here, you can set up new profile for your Netflix. Now you can give a name. Tap on save. With that, you will be good to go. This is how you can change kids account to normal account on Netflix. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.